I'll never forget the first time I tried taking notes during a meeting while also leading the discussion. I was typing furiously, trying to keep up, but when I looked back, my notes were a mess, half-finished sentences, missing details, and scattered thoughts. That's when I realized how much energy I was wasting on note-taking instead of actually engaging. Granola was made for moments like that. It's like having a personal assistant in every meeting. Using AI, it listens to your conversations and automatically creates clear, structured notes. Instead of frantic typing or relying on memory, you get a clean summary with action items, key decisions, and follow-ups neatly organized. It doesn't just transcribe, it understands context, so you're left with something truly useful your team can act on right away. Imagine this, you're on a high-stakes client call and the client is firing off feedback, deadlines, and requirements at full speed. Normally, you'd worry about missing something important. But with Granola, you can stay fully present, ask sharper questions, and know nothing is slipping through the cracks. Later, when you open your notes, everything you need is right there, organized and ready to share. The best part is how naturally Granola fits into your workflow. It works with major meeting platforms and produces shareable, editable notes your team can collaborate on. You can highlight tasks, assign responsibilities, and even build a knowledge base for future projects. It's one of those tools that quietly reduces stress and boosts productivity before you even realize how much it's helping. Of course, it's not flawless. Sometimes AI notes miss subtle tones or complex discussions, so it's worth reviewing before sharing. And depending on your company's privacy policies, it's smart to check compliance first. Still, compared to traditional note-taking, the clarity and time savings are huge. If you've ever left a meeting with messy notes or forgotten next steps, Granola will feel like a total game changer. It helps you focus, stay engaged, and make every meeting actually lead to progress.